Hey, this is James again with JJ Media and Online Services. First of all, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for those that are watching the frequent videos that I'm uploading. I do anything from company reviews, business reviews, to product reviews, and I give hints and tips on online tech and YouTube tech. So today I want to just do a quick video and show you how to use your comments on YouTube. It's a new feature that YouTube has done recently, but you can use your comments and be able to comment to your subscribers much easier. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button so you can make sure you get my videos when they upload. And also in the comment below, comment where you're from and maybe some topics you would like to see recorded or talked about. So subscribe and comment below where you're from, what you'd like to see. So let's go to the computer and we will show you quickly about how you can utilize the comments, the new feature in YouTube. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, of course I have my Chrome pulled up here. You do need to go to YouTube, and I use it frequently. It's one of my shortcuts. Go to YouTube. You come to your channel, and then you will go down to, it's the YouTube Studio Beta. Click on that, and the next window that will come up is your YouTube dashboard. This is the back end. If you've been on YouTube a whole lot, you know how to get to this, but I just kind of want to go through that. This is the back end of it, and you want to click on, of course you can see you can go to your videos, analytics, comments, transitions, other features, creating playlists and everything, but we want to go to the comments. You click on the comments, and when it will come up, and you will have the ability to take a look at the comments that have been given on your videos. And what is really neat about this is you can actually filter. Let's go ahead and cut this out. Okay, you can show all comments. You can just show the ones that you haven't replied to, that have replies which need to be followed up on, that contain a question that I have not replied to. You see how it filters this out? Those that contain URLs, those that you have hearted or liked, from supporters, from your recent subscribers, and you can even put in certain words that say I do a lot is comment video intro below. I've done that. I give away video intros. You can actually use this to click on that and drop in the words that you say comment such and such, and it will pull up those subscribers or those people who have commented that, and then you can send them the link to the video or to whatever you want to give them in the comments. So this is a neat new feature. This is actually one that you actually have to pay for. I use TubeBuddy. You actually have to pay for it, but this is a free feature that YouTube has done. So I hope this little tip helps you out. Make sure you subscribe, follow us on our channel, and go to our website, go to the description, follow us on our social media. It's all in the description. I also have an affiliate link in the description if you're interested in that. So thank you again for watching, and we hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.